Today, we're featuring a 2018 Peterbilt 579 day cab tandem highway tractor. This unit comes fully loaded with a loaded interior including a power group, plus AM, FM, CD radio with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. This Peterbilt features a Paccar MX-13 engine with 3.7 gear ratio, low air leaf suspension with a 13,200 front axle rating and a 40K rear. It also comes equipped with full locking rear differentials, the sliding fifth wheel, and quarter fenders. This Peterbilt is work ready for the highway. For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.